Yes, yes. On Wednesday, the 21st of May at 7 p.m. in London, it is the mini workshop and book launch for Do the Shadow Work. So as you might expect from a book launch, there'll be a Q&A, I'll be doing a book signing, I'll be doing a talk about the book itself, but most importantly, I'll be running a mini workshop on some of the exercises that are in the book. Because the thing about shadow work is that there's a lot of theory about it, but far better than looking at the theory is to do the practice. So I'll be leading several of the practices and exercises that are in the book. So not only will you learn about shadow work, you will actually have an experience of doing the shadow work. So it's this coming Wednesday, the 21st of May, 7 p.m. at Regent's University, which is basically inside Regent's Park. It's like a 7-minute walk from Baker Street Tube. So central London, 7 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. the book launch and mini workshop of Do the Shadow Work. I would love to see you there. Click the link in the bio or check out my website, charliemorley.com, for all the details. See you then.